Welcome to the another tutorial of MS Word. In this video, I will teach you how to do double line spacing in MS Word. This is very simple, very easy. Let's get started. In this paragraph, you can see that the line spacing is by default 1. So if you want to make it double, then what you have to do is just to select your data and then go to the home, and here you can see that in the paragraph group you will see there is an arrow key, line and paragraph spacing. You need to click that and go to the 2, and here you can see that the line spacing has been doubled from 1 to 2. Another way is that click on this arrow and go to the line spacing option, and here you can see that line spaces is multiple. You need to select the double and simply click OK, and you can see that the line spacing has been doubled. Another way is that you need to right click and go to the paragraph, and you will route to the similar pop-up screen, and again you need to click on this arrow and select the double and click OK. So in this way you can easily double your line spacing in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.